In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an Instagram account from Meta Business Suite. This process is straightforward and can help you better manage your social media presence. Whether you're tidying up your business assets or need to address an account you no longer manage, these steps will guide you through the process efficiently. Let's begin by accessing the Meta Business Suite. Once you've logged in, locate the Settings option. You can usually find this in the lower left-hand corner of the interface. This is your control center for making adjustments across all your linked social media platforms. From there, you'll want to navigate to something called Business Assets. This is where all your connected accounts, including pages and profiles, are neatly listed. In this section, you'll find everything from your Facebook pages to Instagram accounts that are tied to your business profile. Next, focus your attention on the list and look for Instagram accounts. Selecting this category will bring up a detailed list of all the Instagram profiles currently connected to your Meta Business Suite. Make sure you take a moment to review these accounts carefully. It's important to ensure you're managing the correct account, especially if you handle multiple profiles. This step can help prevent the accidental removal of the wrong Instagram account. Once you've located the account in question, click on it. This action will open up a window or expanded menu with more options pertaining to that specific account. Here is where you can finally choose to remove it. You should see an option labeled as either remove or disconnect. The terminology might vary slightly depending on updates to the platform, but the essence remains the same. By selecting this option, you are effectively severing the connection between your Instagram account and the Meta Business Suite. Before confirming the removal, take a moment to contemplate if this action aligns with your overall social media strategy. Keep in mind that once an account is removed, you'll lose any streamlined features that come from having it integrated within the Business Suite, such as cross-posting capabilities and consolidated insights. If you're certain about your decision, go ahead and confirm the action. And there you go. You have successfully removed an Instagram account from Meta Business Suite. Remember, managing your business assets efficiently ensures smoother operation and less clutter, leaving you with more time to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments if there are other areas you'd like us to cover. Have a great day managing your business on social media.